Hi everyone, this is Dave from Geekanoids and this is my unboxing and review of the Trendnet 200Mbps compact Powerline AV adapter kit. This is model number TPL306E2K, and these are Powerline adapter plugs that allow you to get internet access into hard to reach rooms. Perhaps you haven't got a wireless network, or perhaps you haven't got a router that's near to some equipment you need to connect. So let's have a look at the back of the packaging. This gives you details of how you might connect this in your home. We're going to get straight in and have a look inside the box. Now these work with either Windows or Mac, doesn't really matter which. And let's open this up. And we've got another white box inside, and then this reveals the actual product itself. So these are the two plugs. Let's take these out and pop these to one side. So we've got one there, and then we have got the second one there. And then in the bottom section of the box, we have got some cables. So we've got one Ethernet cable, we've got a second Ethernet cable, and then we've got some instructions and a CD. Now this contains a utility that is only Windows compatible, and it also contains the user's guide. And then we've got some instructions here, and this tells you how you can connect them in your house or your building, and just some declarations and some warranty information on the back. Now it's nice that they include two Ethernet cables. I haven't used these in my tests, but at least they're included in the box, so you can easily use these to get internet access to your devices. And this is what the plugs look like. They're both identical. Let's take one out of the packaging for you. Now these super easy to set up. I've had these working and they're really simple to set up. All you need to do is plug one of these in near your main router. So you'd plug this into the wall socket. This has got a 3-pin UK plug on this end, but if you're in another country you'll get a country specific version. Plug this into the wall socket, plug the Ethernet cable into your existing internet router, and then at the other end you plug this one in to another room, and you do the same. You plug this into perhaps your laptop or your desktop, or perhaps you're connecting it to a smart TV that needs an internet connection. Push the synchronization buttons on the bottom. We've got some LEDs on the front here, which give you an idea of the actual state of the plug. So we've got power, we've got the fact that they're connected, and we've also got an Ethernet connection, and then you're good to go. You've got an internet connection on the device that's plugged into the second power adapter. Now you do have to use these on the same ring main, so if you've got two separate ring mains in your house, it won't work. But if they're on the same ring main, it is a very easy way to get internet access to those other devices. As I say, you could use this with something like a PS3 or an Xbox 360, or perhaps you've got a TV that's got internet connection on it, or perhaps just a Blu-ray player or something that you need to get a software update onto. Ideal for something like that. Or perhaps you've got a conservatory and you don't want to run lots of extra wiring out there for your Ethernet cable in. Just plug one of these in, plug the Ethernet cable in, and you are good to go. Now they do claim up to 200 megabits per second. I don't think you're ever going to achieve that. I was achieving around about 80 to 90 megabits per second on the transfer rates when I tested these. They are great little units and just a really easy way of extending your internet access into hard to reach places. So these are the Trendnet TPL306E2K, and they are really good value for money. Check out the prices on the internet, check out the Trendnet website, all the links are below, and I will see you all in the next video.